Guys, this is how you connect your Ethereum, Ton and Tron wallet address in OGC Hub. We go to edit your wallets, which is this one here. This one here. It will take you here. So they recommended us to connect at least 3 wallet address, which is Ethereum, Ton and Tron network. See, I've connected my Ethereum wallet already. Ton, I've remained with Tron wallet address. So I'm going to show you how you can connect your Tron wallet. But where are we going to get this Tron wallet from? You have to install Tron Link Hubs. Tron Link Hubs is a wallet hubs for Tron. So you have to install the hubs, this hub here. After installing, create your wallet. After creating the wallet, make sure you keep your passphrase in a safe place. After creating, you come back to OGC Hub. You click on Tron, which is this one. It will take me to this part. Let me wait for it to verify. Still verifying. Good. I'm going to click on get code. Yes, code have been sent to my Gmail. Let me go and copy the code. Here's the code. So paste the code right here. Continue. I'm going to paste my Tron wallet address right here. Let me paste this one right here, guys, and save address. That's simple, guys. Make sure you like and follow for more crypto curiosities.